Good evening, my golden traders. Here is episode 39 of Daily Recap Analysis presented by your favorite trading brand, Golden Option Online Trading, and your certified trader, certified mentor, what's in the trader. So let's get it going. Let's have a quick recap on this Thursday evening of our daily trading. Last night we had that trade going on. And after last night when we talked, I think we were right in this position, right around this position. We were nearly break even. And then we had a push in the night, a quick pullback just around this wick structure. This is perfect structural trading. And then we made a low, and after that, we had a push back in the negative, even made a newer high. So this is why Nicholas changed the TP and put the TP at 157. This is equaling the low right there, 157. He changed the first TP for 157 and not 140, 151 like it was supposed to be originally. And let me tell you why. Because there was a new low made, a clear low. This was a clear low and a new higher high. So this is just an example that we may be in the upper trend market in gold. And this honestly is ranging for too long now. So that being said, we add Federal Reserve Bank and initial jobless claim at 8:30 this morning. And let me show you the 8:30 candle. This is exactly the 8:30 candle. So just before the news, we made a push back to this low right there. And let me just show you that this is a nice left shoulder, right shoulder, head shoulder. So it was a nice head and shoulder. And then at the news, we made a push below, and 30 minutes after, another push. And look at this zone, how much it was respected. Remember here where we had wick, 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 and I put it a zone right there. And it went and just touched the wick of the zone. So if you had a TP at this place right there, this is still a good 1-for-1 risk reward ratio and still a good 90 pips. So this was a nice trade. I personally got out at 155, I think, because I didn't have time to put my stop loss at 157. And lucky for me, when I opened my MetaTrader, it was at 155 already. So that being said, after that we had an under spike to the upside, and then after seeing this nice rejection of what I thought was lower low right there. Let me just get out of this of the way so it can be clearer. Yeah, exactly. After this candle rejection right there, I got in another short. I had it to my position, and then I mean, at the moment, I never saw drawdown. We went in profit straight back there. And then I hesitated to put my stop loss break even, but my stop loss was just above the wick. No, not even above the wick. It was at 117.62. And then right after this, I put it at 1761. And look how it came close on this candle. Let me just put M5 candle, it'll be clearer. Yeah, got in right there, and my stop loss was at 1762. And let me show you why. Because 1762 is just above this wick, and look how much consolidation and push we had on the downside. So was clear structural level that we broke below. And then when we made that push and we were in profit, well, I was in profit, then I lower my stop loss at 1761, so then I had 10 pips left to risk, and this is good for me. So it came back more than break even. I was in a little bit of drawdown, but never touched my stop loss. And then for a few hours it went sideways, and then I got out at around 3 o'clock, right around these price levels. So yeah, this was another good trade for me. So today, 2 win for me on gold. And also, I was hesitating to take a long right around the structure because I really wanted to come back to 170, 1753, 1752 so that I can go long again, but it did not. And it made a good push to the upside, 1753, a 70 pips push to the upside. And I wouldn't be surprised if we go back to 1765 before tomorrow morning. And maybe tomorrow morning, Friday, we will have another push to 1750. It was a really, really consolidating day today on gold. Well, not today, this week. If you ask me, it kind of sucked because you don't have any clear picture of where the market going in that situation. You just have to profit and make your stop loss and TP really short because market can go either way in a huge push when it consolidating that way. Because let me show you why. In a section like this right now, it's just banks accumulating liquidity and getting ready for one big push. So one big push will either go back to 1790, maybe 1800, or back to 1750 will be met. So probably 1730 right there, back to this low of the previous week and of this right there. So yeah, let's remember, guys, tomorrow it's NFP, so you have to be careful. 8:30 NFP as usual, first Friday of every month. Non-farm payroll is NFP for those that doesn't know. It's always a volatile news, and let me tell you, and let me also say that can be volatile both ways. It can make 30 pips one way, 50 pips the other way, and then go back 100 pips back up. So you have to be really careful, and you have to keep calm, focused, and composed and collected because market can get wild, and it's not a reason for you to get wild. You have to stay calm, stay composed, stay collected, and yeah, it's a really, really make or break situation. And personally, if you feel that you are not ready and you already did not have a good week or not in a good state of mind, you just don't trade NFP. It's 1 month, 1 day per month. So if you skip that day of trading, it's no problemo, amigo. You'll get back whatever you may made on another day. So let's just have a quick look at their pound pair. GBP Japan made a new high. I wouldn't be surprised if we go test back that region right there of 152. Like, remember yesterday when I said at this point we can either have a right shoulder right there and then broke below, or we will have a new high made, and a new high were made. Right now it's being made at the moment we are speaking, and it will probably break this situation right there because the high is mostly this. Let me just put this on. This is more the structure. So that being broken, it will go down. It will go up to these right now. This is how I feel. And GBP AUD still trending in our direction. A few pips are being added today, but it's a really, really slow pair. It's always been. Look at this, always slow pair. These are 4-hour candles, so slow, slow, slow. A lot of consolidation, and even when it's trending, it's slow trending. It's good trend, good trading, but not a lot of volatility. And for people that are not used or not really in a good state of mind, well, not in a good state of mind, but that high numbers, high volatility stress themselves, well, this is a good pair to trade for them. So yeah, trade still in profit. I really expect the GBP to go 1855.00. Maybe not this week, maybe next week, maybe even next week, depending on how slow it goes. And we will maybe have a retest of our second and try as another confirmation and then rejection, and then we can make a new low and test back those weak region, and even the weekly level that I'm gonna show you is a good weekly level, because look how it was resistance, support, and now ready to be another support, or at least being met. So that being said, guys, that's it for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you enjoy it. Trade safe, and remember, guys, tomorrow morning 8:30 it's NFP. Be careful, my traders. Be careful. Stay safe. Trade safe. Bye bye.